Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best recipes book for beginners in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5, Jennifer Smith Cookbook. Jennifer Smith Cookbook. You can be cooking better, tastier and faster meals for yourself and your family. In this cookbook, you will discover amazing meal recipes that the whole family will love. The recipes also for vegetarians anyone will enjoy. Most of the recipes in this cookbook are made for anyone with a busy lifestyle. It is made in such a way that detailed ingredient lists and precise cooking times so each dish turns out perfect. Plus you can get much more helpful information with this cookbook. At number 4, Dr. Mark Hyman Cookbook. In this companion cookbook, Dr. Hyman shares more than 100 delicious recipes to help you create a balanced diet for weight loss, longevity, and optimum health. Mark Hyman, MD, is the director of the Cleveland Clinic Center for Functional Medicine, board president of clinical affairs on the board of the Institute for Functional Medicine, and founder and director of the Ultra Wellness Center. This cookbook including Food, Eat Fat, Get Thin, the Blood Sugar Solution 10-Day Detox Diet, and the Blood Sugar Solution. Food is medicine, and medicine never tasted or felt so good. The remainder of the book is devoted to 100+ recipes across every facet of your meal from appetizer to dessert, breakfast to lunch, holidays, brunch, soup and just about anything you can think of. These recipes are not simple or quick and the ingredient list can be daunting. At number 3, Stephanie Middleburg Baby Food Cookbook. This Stephanie Middleburg Baby Food Cookbook is the one that does it all. Natural, organic, and irresistible recipes take your baby from infant to toddler and beyond. Ideas for purees, smoothies, finger foods, and meals abound. A baby food cookbook and more, the Big Book of Organic Baby Food contains. Each chapter covers developmental changes and FAQs to inform your nutritional decisions. Purees, smoothies, finger food. Choose from more than 115 puree recipes and over 40 smoothie and finger food ideas with this cookbook. At number 2, Simon Rush Ultimate Instant Pot Cookbook. The Simon Rush Ultimate Instant Pot Cookbook gives you improved techniques on how to cook in the most efficient way using the Instant Pot. It's an easy to cook and delicious to taste Instant Pot recipes. Thanks to this great cooking device, the Instant Pot, cooking quick and budget-friendly meals is easier than ever. No matter if you're a solo eater, or if you cook for the whole family or friends, you'll always find dozens of recipes to satisfy everyone with this cookbook. In this Instant Pot recipe book, you will find 800 recipes in these categories. At number 1, Tasty Ultimate Cookbook. The Tasty Ultimate Cookbook is the world's largest social food network, reaching more than 500 million people around the globe with its signature fun, easy, and delicious video recipes. The brand is focused on making cooking practical and accessible for beginner cooks and expert chefs alike. It has studios in Los Angeles, New York, London, Paris, Berlin, Mexico City, and Sao Paulo, and a full product line including cookbooks, a smart appliance, and a mobile app. With this tasty cookbook, you'll tackle brand new recipes. Think fried egg pizza, salmon poke bowl, mozzarella stick onion rings, and molten lava brownies. Beyond knockout cheese pulls, slow-cooked stunners, vegetarian go-tos, meals for meat lovers, and insanely good sweets, discover large-scale showstoppers perfect for hosting Friendsgiving or Super Bowl Sunday with this cookbook.